Hi everyone, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Ben and I'm a Customer Success Manager here at Clientshare. So the purpose of today's video is to give you a brief run through of the dashboard and how you can have a look at some of those key metrics when reviewing client feedback as well. So when you come into the platform, you'll be assigned to your specific client account on the left hand side as well. So each client will have a customized and a personalized dashboard linked to the metrics and the feedback that they've submitted from their Pulse reviews. So here you have your scorecards, which will have an overview of your Pulse index score and your net promoter score as well. So these would be the two key areas in which clients can give you feedback. The Pulse index is basically those 4 key questions which would have been set by the senior leadership team prior to your review being sent out, and here you can filter your net promoter score as well. These give you an aggregate over a date range, so you can see how well received your relationship has been with your client, but you also have the option to filter by a specific date range as well. So this gives you an overview over the timeline of that relationship as well. Now from here you can see some of the actions and some of the feedback that have been given by clients. So on the bottom left here you've the recent feedback comments. So these would have been comments that have been left by clients as they filled out that Pulse as well. Now on the right hand side you have an option to mark these as complete. So this just basically means that you can close the loop in terms of acting on these and following up with the client, but it also means that you'll have an overview on whether or not the client has been followed up with, just to basically close that loop and ensure that the engagement has been made with the client as well. On the right hand side we have follow-up requests. So at the final stage of a Pulse review, a client has an opportunity to request a follow-up with one of the senior leadership team. From here this can be accessible for both yourself and the senior leadership team. But when this has been actioned and it's been reached out, or you've jumped on a call with the client, you can simply mark this as complete and this will disappear from your list on the dashboard as well. Similarly, if any actions have been assigned to a client or to a colleague from one of those pulses, you'll be able to see those upcoming actions on the right hand side of your dashboard as well. Similarly to how you mark a feedback comment as complete or follow-up request as complete, you can choose this little checkbox on the left hand side as soon as this has been actioned from that Pulse as well. Similarly to a follow-up request, once those have been marked as complete, those will disappear from the list as well. So this is one of the important things to highlight, is to make sure that you are closing the loop in terms of any feedback, actions or follow-up requests that are coming from clients. Those are actioned and those will also be actioned on the dashboard as well.